The 5 key foods to add to your diet for muscle growth. Are you looking to beef up those biceps and build a well-sculpted and stronger physique? Well, you're in luck, because this video is all about the power foods that help boost your muscle growth. Building muscles is not all about hitting the gym and lifting weights. Believe it or not, what you cook up in the kitchen has a lot to do with it. Building muscles, whether in the gym or in the kitchen, takes effort and dedication. A healthy and balanced diet is a crucial element in gaining muscle mass. Protein can particularly help in the process. But remember, everyone has a different body, so the amount of protein required varies depending on factors such as your genes, lifestyle, and most importantly, your fitness goals. So if you're looking to build muscle mass and strength, you need to tailor your diet to meet your needs. Let's dive right into the world of muscle-building foods that are here to help you grow bigger and stronger. Number 1. Let's begin with the muscle-building benefits of milk. Did you know that milk can work as one of the best additions to your bodybuilding routines? Apart from being a classic source of nourishment, milk is a mighty muscle builder. Milk is packed with many important nutrients: calcium, phosphorus, potassium, vitamins, and most importantly, proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of the cells and help repair and grow muscles. On the other hand, calcium supports muscle strength and stronger bones and joints. Whey protein is often taken as a post-recovery supplement because of its quick absorption rate by the body. Casein, on the other hand, is digested relatively slower and thus keeps feeding your muscles over time. Calcium in milk acts as fuel, making your muscle engine run smoothly. So, next time you're hitting the gym to build muscles, make sure to add milk to your daily nutritional plan. Number 2. Next on the list are protein shakes. Protein shakes are no less than a powerhouse in a glass. They are the go-to drinks for many fitness enthusiasts. How do protein shakes work? Proteins are one of the most essential nutrients required to build muscles. They are made up of amino acids. Protein shakes are composed of protein powder mixed up in a liquid of your choice, which can be milk, water, or any other fluid. Protein shakes are packed with easily digestible proteins. These shakes provide your muscles with the amino acids they need to grow. Protein shakes are highly convenient. All you need to do is mix and drink, and you're all set. The best thing is that you can customize your protein shake recipe as per your wish. You can make it more nutritious by adding fruits, nuts, or greens. Number 3. Now let's move on to discover the muscle-building power of red meats. Red meat has always been known as the king of muscle-building foods, and here's why. Red meat includes pork, beef, and mutton. It is packed with creatine and a highly rich source of protein. Creatine, naturally found in your muscles, acts as a quick source of energy during short bursts of intense activity. Creatine supplementation is perfect for muscle-building workouts. The creatine content in red meat helps increase muscle energy. Being a powerhouse of proteins, red meat provides you with all the amino acids essential for muscle growth and repair. The best thing about red meat is that the minerals and vitamins in it are not easily replaceable by any food supplements. So guys, don't forget to incorporate red meat into your diet if you're looking to bulk up those muscles. Number 4. Nuts and nut butter are also excellent nutritional sources for building and maintaining muscle mass. It's time to stop being worried that you're not going to turn around the bulk or build the muscular physique you wish for. Nuts and nut butter are here for your rescue. Nuts and nut butter are very effective for gaining muscle mass, especially because they are high in fat content. But remember, they are 200% more calorie dense as compared to proteins and carbs, so make sure not to consume too much, even if you're muscle building. Nuts like almonds, cashews, and peanut butter are rich in healthy fats and fiber. They provide a slow and steady release of energy, which is important for muscle growth. The healthy fats in nuts and nut butter support your overall health and boost your energy levels. Because nuts are a plant-based protein source, they keep your hunger at bay for longer periods and complement your muscle-building efforts. What else? Consuming nuts in the form of nut butter is not only healthy, but also finger-licking good. You can have it on the toast or in your cereal. You cannot deny the nutritional benefits of nut butter in bulking up your muscles. Number 5. Did you know that rice is also known as a classic bodybuilding food of all times? That is true. Rice, especially brown rice, is a powerhouse of carbohydrates. Carbs are an essential part of muscle building as they are your body's primary energy source. Carbs in rice provide the energy needed to power through intense workouts. Brown rice is rich in fiber. Increasing dietary fiber intake is great for increasing muscle mass and decreasing body fat. Rice is a versatile food, and the best thing is that you can pair it up with meat and veggies and design a balanced and delicious meal. Remember, your muscles are your best clothes. Building muscle isn't complicated. Just add these 5 muscle-friendly foods to your diet and give your body the nutrients it needs to grow bigger and stronger. If you found this video helpful and want more fun facts like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let the gains begin.